welcome back. In the previous section, we learned about the 10th principle of SAFE, organize around value. As per this principle, organizations needs a dual operating system, which is like having the best of both worlds, organizing around network of value streams without completely disrupting the existing hierarchy. By organizing the second operating system around value streams instead of departments, SAFE offers a way for enterprises to focus on customers, products, innovation, and growth. In this section, let us learn how can we achieve this in our organizations. This change involves the following steps. First step is to build technology portfolios of development value streams, then release value streams with agile release trains, which are team of agile teams, and finally ensure your agile teams are cross-functional and self-organizing. Let us dive deep into all these three aspects. Firstly, the organizations must build technology portfolios of development value streams. SAFE provides a structured approach to help companies curate collections of technology products that bring value to the forefront. Think of this as assembling all the essential products in one cohesive portfolio. Unlocking these potential hinges on understanding and effectively applying the concept of value streams. Value streams serve as the backbone of the Lean-Agile mindset and lean thinking. They provide a systematic way to view the flow of value within an organization. This mindset reinforces a relentless focus on products and customers because value streams, products, and customers are intrinsically intertwined. Value streams are characterized by the steps involved, the individuals contributing, and the seamless flow of information and materials necessary to deliver value to customers. If you're interested in delving deeper into identifying value streams, consider joining our Value Stream and Agile Release Train Identification Workshop, a highly regarded resource among our clients. The second pivotal step involves releasing these value streams using Agile Release Trains, ARTs. Think of ARTs as the locomotives that transport products and value directly to customers. ARTs are robust, cross-functional teams comprising 50 to 150 individuals, all working in unison on a shared schedule of 4 to 6 iterations, each lasting 2 weeks. These teams collaborate around a common backlog, seamlessly delivering solutions through a continuous delivery pipeline. ARTs are equipped with the requisite business and technical capabilities to oversee all aspects of solution development and customer support. And finally, form teams that can directly deliver value to customers through these products. These teams work together to make sure customers get what they need. Here are 3 main factors which help agile teams to deliver direct value to customers. 1. Cross-functional and customer-focused. Agile teams are cross-functional groups, usually comprising 10 or fewer members. They possess the capability to define, build, test, and deploy value quickly. 2. Customer-centric. Agile teams, like ARTs, prioritize the customer and possess all the necessary skills to deliver end-to-end value to them. And the final third one is that they are optimized for communication, as they are small, usually less than 10 people. So, SAFE's Organizing Around Value principle helps businesses organize themselves to deliver value effectively by grouping products, using agile release trains, and forming teams dedicated to customer value. By organizing around value, organizations can break down the silos that hinder collaboration and responsiveness. This approach fosters innovation, improves customer satisfaction, and allows organizations to adapt more quickly to changing market conditions.
Advance Agility is a rapidly expanding global company specializing in digital and agile transformation. As a gold partner of Scaled Agile, we are dedicated to helping organizations implement digital practices and cultivate an agile mindset. For further information and to explore how we can support your organizational goals and personal career growth through coaching, mentoring, and training, please connect with us on LinkedIn and visit our website at advanceagility.com. By using our coupon code MARK20, you can get amazing discounts.